Hey you guys, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Catalina. I'm so sorry I lost my voice, so please bear with me. I got a cold, but I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. I'm parting it into 4 sections to get ready to distribute the AZTEC clay. So now that I have my hair clipped up, I'm going to be taking the clay mask. So many great benefits to it. I use it on my face, my body, obviously my hair. And yeah, so I'm just going to take the apple cider vinegar. As y'all can see, I only have a little bit left. I'm running out on a lot of things, which suck. But you see that it's like bubbling. That's what it's supposed to do. You can also use water, but I feel like it would work better with the apple cider vinegar anyway. So as you guys can see, I am just mixing it. You want to make sure when you're mixing this that it's not too runny and it is not too thick to the point where you can't even distribute it throughout the hair. You just want to make sure that it's right. As y'all can see, this is exactly how it's supposed to be. So my hair dried up a bit, so I'm just going to be taking my spray bottle with the water in it. I'm just spraying that throughout my hair. Then I'm going to just part my hair into small sections, and I'm just going to run that through my hair. Now you want to make sure that, well, me personally, I do try to detangle it a little bit so that way my curls will be more defined. So that's basically what I do. I just take small sections and I'm just kind of detangling it through. You can, if you want to, you don't have to do this step, but it's just me personally. I like to do that because I know that I'm going to get a more defined curl. So I'm just going to be explaining why I use this and the benefits of using AZTEC clay. Now, the reason why I use AZTEC clay for my hair is because I want to gain more moisture. Can I speak? More moisture in my hair. So that is the reason why I do this, and also it gives me super defined curls. Now you can also use this if you have a dry scalp, if you lack shine, if you have heat damage, if you have frizzy hair and you're trying to control that. This is the perfect mask for you to use. Also, it removes the toxins from your hair. I swear I cannot speak today. I don't know what's going on. But it removes the toxins out of your hair, and it also does the same with your face when you use it as a mask, your body. So I really love this stuff so much. Some people use it every day on their face, and I'm just like, nah, bruh. But I use this about like for a mask, a face mask, like once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks. Hair mask, I would say every like 2 weeks, 3 weeks or so. It just depends on like what you want, you feel me? So yeah, I am almost done with this mask and I'm so sad. Like y'all see me scraping it and stuff, but my curls is popping. Do y'all see? Yes. It kind of looks like I got gray hairs, y'all. Super amazing. So I left the mask until it hardens. I would say about 10-15 minutes. You don't want to leave it in for too long, but I hopped in the shower and I'm just going to be washing it out, okay? Now this, you need a lot of patience with this. You have to make sure everything is like out of there because you don't want to come out the shower and there is still some mask in your hair. You do not want that. You really need to take your time and just run your hand through your hair. Don't be afraid to get a little bit, rough, but that's what you gotta do. You gotta make sure it's out your scalp. You gotta make sure it's out your hair strands. All right, girl. But do you guys see how defined my curls are? Like, girl, if your hair needs a pick-me-up, please go out and get this. It's just bomb.com. But thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. But until next time, if God willing, I will see you in the next video. Make sure you guys love others because God loved you first. Bye.